Hello friends, let's make another cupcake recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make assorted fruits cupcake. Welcome and welcome back beautiful people. It's me Greyglamma. The ingredients you need will be in the description box. Let's get right into the kitchen. First we have to sift the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour here. Sift the flour and then you add baking soda to the flour and mix very well. Set aside. Now we go ahead and use soft butter. We add sugar to it and then mix very well with the mixer. Yeah. Thank you for watching my videos and for supporting me. Leave me a comment and please subscribe if you have not. Tell me where you are watching from so that I'll send you a special greeting. Now we add an egg to the butter and sugar mixture and we continue mixing. If you want your cupcake to come out soft and fluffy, you have to mix it very well. So now we go ahead and add another egg and mix it. You might be wondering, why not mix all the eggs once? No, you mix them one egg at a time so that it will come out soft, fluffy, delicious, and exquisite. Yeah, now you hear it. We go ahead and add the last egg, which means we are using 3 eggs for this recipe. Like I told you earlier, the ingredients will be in the description box. Today's special greeting is for Emma C, who is watching and supporting us from Madrid. Thank you so much for your support and don't forget to leave me a comment. Now we are going to add the flour and baking soda. You remove the mixer and use a spatula to just fold the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients. Just fold it in and then you will have this consistency that is coming out right now. Yeah, don't mix it so much, just fold it in and this is how it has to come out. I love cupcakes, that's why I make both flour, all-purpose flour cupcakes and then oatmeal cupcakes. I love cupcakes and I love to make it at home. Now you scoop the batter into the cupcake paper. You can use a scooping spoon or you use the normal spoon if you don't have the scooping spoon. Now you add the assorted fruits. I am adding here blueberry and then some strawberry. You can add blackberry, you can add, but what I'm adding here is blueberry, strawberry, and apple, all diced. I diced the fruits before adding them. Now we bake for 30 minutes at 160 degrees and they are out. They are out. They are ready. Yummy. They came out yummy. They came out soft. They came out fluffy. Oh, I wish you try this at home. Make this for your children's snacks or for breakfast or like some, having tea, just look at this. Soft and fluffy. Leave me a like, a comment, share the video and subscribe if you have not. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay hydrated. Bye.